Good afternoon, country people dem. Plenty glad for meet up una inside tori for this afternoon. We go take una turn back for this fire wey be catch for place wey dem call am say Bonalionga na quarter for Boya town, wey as we dey talk just now, at room dem don burn after fire enter for there. We go take una too, we enter for quarter 13 na from Banga for Mongo division, wey people dem self confuse some big mami for check say e dey so e be na that people dem wey dey waka na for night. We go talk that one too, plus this other one wey happen for place wey dem call am say Suza, wey thief people dem enter for inside people dem house on top say they carry money, carry even mimbo plus close them for the people before they wan go. They chop soya for one of the woman them or two as we tori enter for we ear, then they cut another one with skin. Inside tori for this afternoon we promise una, and na so too go bring am for na for inside tori as una sabi. We get chapter 2 for corona where we go tell una the condition for this sick inside the whole world. Sabi say just now Cameroon is also getting own number wey sabi, and number e don cross to go to around that 14,000 people there wey dey get the sick for inside we country. The Guardian Post na the only newspaper wey dey for we before. Big part talk for this afternoon, e dey tell we say no matter how wey elephant e big, e no fit ever shaking ground. No matter the kind of size of elephant, e no fit ever shaking ground. Big part talk e comot na for we Kombi for Facebook. They call it say Roslyn. We return back small time. Good afternoon for outside country people dem. Plenty glad for meet up una for this number 3 day inside the week. Tori for this afternoon we go start now for place where they call am say Bonalionga quarter, for place where they call say Boya town. Now for southwest under Boya subdivision, fire wey una dey see am so e don surprise plenty people dem for place where they call am say Bonalionga, and all dem dey no be fit for do no nothing. They only get for turn up. They see as well the house in the burn. We hear say na one house, one normal house. As well na the see am where we the talk say Calabot, but inside that Calabot house we be get 5-6 room for inside. As well tori enter we here. Fire start for cash. No person in no sabi wetin start. Who side the fire come out? The population says where they be there around town where fire be start for cash. Now them be held for see whether they go lost fire. But sabi say even as well they turn lost fire, tin them like electronic, chair, bed, fan, all thing wey be there for inside the house, e catch fire. They no be fit for do no nothing as well tin them burn. When the hear say that house sef, e be there na meeting house for some people them. Whether the woman says wey be the person wey get the house, e don't keep money for inside house, no person no know. But they dey try for talk if they get for look thing the way the fire burn am and other thing that will be there inside the house, where they never know where that money e be there for inside that place. As so the talk, e dey show say e dey so around that kind of 30 million according to budget where they don't put am. They say na in way e dey so if you use am for biting them or even start build a house. So people them they no be get no nothing for do. Sabi say army rescue e no dey for inside big town like Boya. We dey also cry that thing all day, and na for sick as say this army rescue e no dey there. Na in way we dey get plenty fire themselves wey they dey succeed. But sabi say the population e be turn for cut cable them for current, so that the current too e no go start catch fire for enter for inside people them house. All man e only turn up the siam, no nothing they no be fit for do. As well the fire e surprise people them. The fire be the cash where no one eye person wey the shidon for that house e be there. We hear say the mommy for this house he say be there for Douala. As well tori enter for we ear time where this fire be the cash. So now the population they say they turn so till last they see as well they lost the fire. But sabi say even as well they make am fire e lost, they no comot no one eye pin inside there. Na ground they take am for lost fire for town like Boya, when a town wey automatic e be get forget army rescue for inside the way this kind of thing them they for fit for run for go lost am. But na the population e turn lost am, e cut rope them for current. as we fire e no go fit for climb on top the current for go for different house. So na just so this fire is surprise people dem for inside Bonalionga quarter for place wey dem call am say Boya town. Na for under Boya subdivision, Fako division, southwest region. And just for sabi, this fire wey catch for there will be meet up with one of the person wey dey get the house. Make we hear wetin we talk for we.
In market, I do only hear say our house is born. I want to count in the way born inside. 4 room with the palo. So that's what I take a see. You don't born all thing do born. You don't move no nothing. All thing do born. If all my thing do born inside the house. I don't know the cause of the fire. What's happening with the fire? I didn't know market at the work and I don't hear the fire. I don't know what's happening. I want to count fire. All thing do born for you. All the houses are born. I don't know what's happening. In market, I do only hear say our house is born.
This fire necessary be cash for side for Bonalionga. We be don't talk for now. They be dey them plenty. People them for inside that quarter for Bonalionga for Boya town. We all they be come out for see whether they feel help. But that's what we talk now only with their own crow eye. Now just some of the things that one at the CM where they be fit for come out them inside the house. Apart from this small thing them where they come out them for house, they no come out no other thing. Small clothes and so they turn drum enter come out. Now the thing that way they be fit for come out them inside the house where they call them say Bonalionga for inside Boya where the fire catch. So the population be only get for using their eye for see as we fire in the burn house in the go and in the cash all man e just turn for his own end e see where they happen. We be talk with another person where he try for talk say they so na place where they hold and dongamen that house where he born. It tell we more talk on top the house where he born.
I've been for the other part of down there, so I just see smoke be come out for up. I will calculate this smoke be come out direct to my meeting house because the very house is born. Now my meeting house is already for them. So now I just pick what the cam up. Now the country. I don't really know. The house be very fine. I don't know whether na electric matter or na weighty. I don't know na gas. I don't know. Even the people where they stay for the house, they don't confuse. I don't even see them. The woman where get the house, we just lost his sister, his twin sister. So if you don't travel, go Douala. You know even there as we there now, so they there for Douala. So I don't know the kind of confusion. I don't know which affected you. The house we get about 6 bedroom, 1 parlor. Now all the property where the fire go, you don't put them down. I think calculator, if it be like 30 million. That 30 million say over small. If it be like 50 million, because you don't know amount of some money where someone keep inside house. Not talk of your own property. You sum all that money, you sum all that thing, so it will give you a lot of money. They tell me saying about destination for my meeting house and my meeting house. So all the own thing they say, we meeting thing they don't lost. Money and everything. Because the man be the treasurer, all that thing, and I hope say meeting don't go down for square one. I've been for the other part.
And just for Sabi says also for inside that area, we'll be meet up to some people there they shidon around the place where this fire happened. One day they did for compound. Them two, they be tell we talk on top this house where be born for inside Bonalionga for Boya town.
One can ask him to straight in go over this side. Kamita na dua when he has mami has born. For see how it's trouble now before loss now. So they really I don't know the cause. I never seen no the cause for the fire. So important thing is no person no die inside, no person stay inside the house. There's always something for the loss for everything burned down. For no success for anything as blazing so all things that go down so you're born.
Now we are come out. As I come out, I see the fire. I say, now what be this? Now we are the call. Wona come on. Now we are the call. Now we are the call. And the shout, I say, wona come on. Mommy for house in no day. Daughter-in-law in no day. I don't even know who they be their house. No, in not touch her. They cut all the cable with them.
We go come out for inside Bonalionga quarter for side for Boya. We waka, we take una go for quarter 13. Now for inside Mbanga for Mongo division, we'll go take una enter for the country people them. For inside here, now quarters people them say for quarter, where they confuse some mommy, some they talk say na the woman the way they waka for night. Other one they talk say na the mommy say the talk say thief people them. They be cashing for night, then they take it close them for his skin. Now so two people them for inside the quarter they come out for the kind of way the mommy says be dey them says the tana far away they be suspect say the mommy be get something na the mommy that where they be try for come for a corner for try for ask wetin dey happen mommy dey talk say wetin iwana kaba wusa he come out na the big question that way people them for inside quarter 13 from Banga they start for ask some people them they say na the mommy the way they dey waka waka for night e don fall other one they talk say they be push am as way tori enter we ear and when they ask mommy sef who say you the shidon mommy dey talk say e the shidon na for quarter 11 but who say house he say sef e no sabi house sabi say Banga quarter 1 quarter 2 quarter 3 so till they get their own level the one na for quarter 13 where the mommy can find himself how imane come for day na the question wey plenty people dey ask am wey they no be fit for answer am for sick say they no sabi why mommy go comot e can't sleep for person e door empty skin then e dey try for talk say wetin e no sabi side wey e comot so na for there wey plenty people dem dey be shocked say na mommy wey e comot for on top of zinc make we hear wetin wey some of the people dem some gondere sef e talk for we for that side so for inside quarter 13 for Banga.
For my door, as the neighbor called me because I be still asleep, so I come I see mommy where they sleep for my door. We close where they don't chair and they empty last. So what I do and I say I struggle me go. They talk say now the people they not aggressive. So they aggressive. They say they be there agree. But I they ask the place where he stay. He say he stay for Cartier on. I don't ask him whether he know route for go for years. He say no, you don't know your route. Now we overstay for years. We just find you close. But as we give you close now, you come out, we start to go. But the people they don't can't talk say now beyond the need because for me I don't know. I know be a person from here. Sometimes they don't identify him. But for me, I see the mommy be empty skin. So then, but he talk say no he house. Now the one way worry me for them say no. But he there for Cartier on this one a Cartier chest for go Cartier on no far.
And just so sabi say why wey the man say where the mommy be there for a dome up. He talk say in mommy head be there fine. Other people them they be get their own idea. Make we hear wait this other woman he talk for we.
3h dès faut sleep hier son petit fort faut dans ce coup les petits on a son mur écoulé na de comment na de si c'est na son mamie oui des faut dans ce là où à camp pour corner il sait pardon sauvez-moi adresse là et comment faut des go shit faut des after il come back il sait tu fais quoi ici il sait ouais on m'a poussé habité with my friend on m'a poussé il dit que on t'a poussé you they don't push you you do what for here now na for they were across now il reach car na I go pass so I call that mommy say una come open door una sit way dey for una corner front door that mommy open na see some mommy way dey for they we don't sleep so that mommy wake up he begin knock door say una open door for me una open door with name for you pikin no man no open na he sleep again for day na for day that mommy na for mommy for house na open with him massa he see that mommy na he begin drive he say come out for your house na all quarter come on na begin hala say na avion de nuit na for day where they go call chef de quartier say me can't talk chef de quartier can't talk say na crazy people make they leave he come out again he go back na for day where they drop all man drop that mommy na some woman give close he carry am so he fit for mura he dey for
Inside that, as we talk for we on top that woman, we surprise people them for inside quarter 13 from Banga. We go waka enter just now for place where they call am say Suza. For that side so for Suza, also we talk for na chapter for insecurity. It don't plenty for inside town where they call am say Suza country people them. Thief people them, they enter attack inside on one house for place where they call am Suza. Waiting them do. Also don't talk for now for we strong number for inside Suza. Oh man, it talk say population get for shiny eye. Now they come and be this, waiting people them enter for the country people them. You see the place, now some of the places where the people they be broken before they enter, but as well they don't put stone, now so the place be they empty before these people then just now they can't take stone, they block the place. As well here, till people they enter for inside the house, people they ready they should down for the house the day 3. And they use now 1 parlor, 3 different room them. As we to re-enter, we hear the people they enter for all the room them inside the house. We hear say for one of the house, as we they enter for they chop soya for that man a woman only for before the man. Another man where they meet up in a woman, they talk say the day so the woman they hide money inside a private. Now so the people they say they send their hand inside that woman in private, to come inside there as so we hear. And only for say according to them they find the money for day. On top that one they first door them for inside that house broke am, and all the man picking them for day just for say the people then come with a gun. They no be fit for hala. They sit down, they see as well the thing happen. We hear say apart from the way they do am for woman, they come out with 170,000, 150, 170,000, and they come out with other money them for inside place where they call them say Susa. We go here wait where one of the man picking them for the house. He talk after where they see people them. They don't do their work. Go them.
Very slim me because I don't come on me for bourgeois. I don't work tire. I don't sleep now. I hear how my neighbor they cry away, they beat you. I try now to lock my door with power. The blue cam meet me for inside. I try all way the blue cam because they be them 3 were gone. Me I no be give me no nothing. I give me now all my simple colors while they go my bush with them. How they enter? I say if I want make power, they will kill my woman, they will kill my picking. I surrender. They carry all my property, carry all property for my neighbor. Them take all their money. Now so what would they except say for money? We not chop. We not chop. We not nothing. We never chop something from up. If a man look my mouth say go see I'm say hungry. They carry my TV, take all our phone them, carry all important TV them inside house, carry bottle of gas, open my box them, move all my fine clothes them, pick my shoes them, or anything we find they carry them, put them for back. Now all of my trust where they live for me, we report. Carry money 160,000 for my neighbor. We be there for inside house.
And just for Sabi, I so talk for now the people they be left mark to for back. Now one of the woman them this way they be check say the woman be keep money for a private part, as well the people then settle the check am. So before they be one go, they be get cut on top that woman's skin. Make you try for look this other element. Yes, now the work then that way the people then do am on top that woman's skin. As well now the same na knife that are collars out where they take chuki right for a foot where it they so they don't find money for inside the skin. They no be fit for some even the foot they cut am as well they tear we for inside this palaver. And just now one of the question they will ask this with a power. Way Joffe come out talk, they be talk say they be chop soya for that woman. You feel confirm?
They rape the 2 women. They see I'm not be say a year for my before. I jam me in a power. That's why I follow all the program. Why they follow them so.
Yes, now just so it happen, but just now the people that do already start for prepare say if another group 40 people they go come, maybe bingo says go bite. Yes, now bingo that way they do already buy them, say they prepare them, say may they come back again, say if they come bingo no do them something, then something it must to do bingo. They don't shink say they no go come out inside the house. Say the bingo them, they must to do their work. And we hear say they don't take their complaint, go level from Kappa, gendarme them office, and even the office for gendarme them inside Douala here. Just now, as una sabi, una de una plenty. Una no be locatori as well. Paul Tasson become for ya. We don't de make una for follow up. Small. Wait, will be talk with you for inside the chapter for Northwest and Southwest. We'll be asked Oga Paul Tasson who he go gain inside this bill back for Northwest and Southwest. Now only Ngomna people them or even private people them too, they go gain. Make we hear answer for Paul Tasson.
We get different kinds of beneficiaries. And overall, we fit identify 3 kinds of beneficiaries. The first type of beneficiary for the plan, the administration says, because say government get plenty school them, government get plenty health centers, roads, electricity lines, water points, and other things them where the crisis destroy them. That one pass. The second category now, other non-state institutions like churches, like palaces, like cooperatives, and so on are the second category. That the third category, where I think be the subject of your question, now the households. How the households they go do for benefit. We know say as of now, plenty people they be lost property and where they go report for administration. That one be clear. Plenty they not be able for go report for administration. So we try for create network of information. We go permit any man where if he lost his property for step up and make himself known.
And just for sabi say inside that network, Oga Paul Tasson talk say they get for Kretam. If you get for Mitom Gomna, if person wey no fit for Mitom Gomna workman, who say go make we get that answer.
That network to cultural and development associations for every village. During my trip, I meet with presidents of many cultural and development associations, and meet with many funds and chiefs as well, and meet with many civil society organizations, because we need to be able for cover the territory totally, for make people where they be beneficiaries for this plan, make them know who side for go. So the first thing I say, the place for go, now either your council for go see a mayor, or Yadio.
Just for sabi say inside this Tori, all the time we Oga Paul Tasson be there for place where they call am say Boya, or Southwest and Northwest, Country Sunday, now be there the hour for the day. Uncle Paul Tasson, he talked to on top this chapter for Country Sunday inside Victoria House.
Their store, now because they no want to see me. No. They lock their store, they stay for house because someone be telling them, say, if you show your head for outside, we will shoot you, we will kill you. And when they talk say, that man way, they talk say, if you show your head, we will kill you. May it take time because if the claim say they work in the interest of that same people. May leave that story say, if you come out outside, I will shoot you, we will see what people know come out.
And just for sabi, as we place in the Kene for Northwest and Southwest, Women Alternative Action says will partner them to the plan just now for see as we they go continue for make peace and security for inside Cameroon and particular for inside Northwest and Southwest young people them. Now them says we they so Women Alternative Action in the target them so that if you make peace, it turn back for Northwest and Southwest. Make we enter just now for inside photo. We get number for people that way they get corona for inside that we are the whole world country people them make we go for inside that number them for corona sick people them before we enter for this control way happen for that side from Banga. As one as sabi corona sick people then just now as of number 7 day inside this month now 11,722,460 cases and for people that they carry corona for the whole world 538,820 people that don't die, 130,370 people that don't die only for Donald Trump country, 65,485 people that don't die inside Brazil, percentage for people that don't well for inside the whole world from corona, 52.1%. Also get them for Sunday for Cameroon. Also Sabi number it already passed 14,000 and for Sikawai that we two big people them, gendarme big people them for inside Banga, big man Bonaventure, Esaga, and even Bebe Coupe. They be there for roads and no be na say they be the church people them. They be there special operate. They be there na chapter for surprise people there they use road and their main thing where they be the look now for check whether people them they cover their nose. You see that papa taking a clothes, a wrapper, it lock in nose and so to they charge people them back. Sabi say since we bomb a hala for inside places like Yawende all side. You know Sabi who it be who and wait where they carry waka so now for Sika why that where big people them for that side we get Bonaventure, Esaga and even Bebe Coupe when them the look out the company command office and even at the Legion office or for talk say the gendarme brigade for that side. So from Bangam they make control for roads for sea if people that they continue for respect then governor commander them where they put them say may they lock their nose. We be talk with some of the people them where they talk palaba this control we meet up them make we hear them talk.
Old man will not get no advantage. Me, he talk all things, they no leave you. Because they support him. No person say me, they leave you again. They take it go. So if he be very dangerous for all people. Man with the worker, so he no get no nothing for him. He no get advantage card. No good to leave you.
No, he good because how they talk palava that sick if we not the wear and he no go fine. Me say they be the talk, then I be the look and say that play. If I not be wearing, I don't can touch for road. Then I say and say that cash they fine, and then they kidnap all these things the way government they do, and me I don't say and say fine.
I just see they do the right thing, control people, they make them wear their masks. So that all that it be very good because of our own good. Normally for me, I believe saying that government is able to provide these things then, because they need afford for it. Like some control, they do hold you to not get face mask, they see me buy at 2,000.
And just for Sabi to say the driver them too, they hold them says they day okay with the control.
If you see my way, no get cash need, I bet if you cash it, I bet. On my way, worker, no get cash need, and my way, no to make. No, that was the see my way, no get cash need, I tell you, say if you no get cash, I don't carry. So, my way, no get cash day, if you cash it, pay now 2,000, now 500. Then them no thing we go do for the job for government.
Just now, how the number for this corona sick day too for different place, make we take on a go for Buhari country. As of Tuesday, inside Buhari country for Nigeria, na 503 new cases for corona sick people there they get them. Total number just now, na 29,789. One day way they don't welcome or go back for house, 12,108. And one day way they don't die for sick corona, na 669 for inside Buhari country. Ivory Coast, as of Tuesday, number will get them for inside Ivory Coast. Country people them, we go try for enter for inside Ivory Coast just now. For Telona, say on Tuesday, na 228 new people them, where they catch the sick, where they call them corona for Ivory Coast. 103 people them to the well for Tuesday. One person be die. 11,194 people, they don't catch the sick for Ivory Coast since we come. 5,487 people they don't well, 76 people they don't die for inside Ivory Coast since we corona starts. Place where they call them say Ghana on Tuesday, country people them, the people there where they get the sick for their skin in the proper 4,683 just now. Total number for sick people them for inside Ghana 21,968, and the new case where they be get them for Tuesday 891. Total number for people there they don't well for Ghana 17,156 from corona. 129 people them they already die for inside Ghana for Sika corona. South Africa, as of Tuesday, they get new case them 10,134 people there they catch corona for their skin on Tuesday. South Africa doctor them they don't test 1,907,532 people them since the corona starts, and inside that number 215,855 people they don't catch the sick. 102,299 people they don't well from the corona sick for South Africa. Then 3,502 people they don't already die for Sika corona for South Africa. As we Tori he enter for insights we hear. Just for some small corner side them on top this corona, as well as Sabi president for Brazil, na SSF use him up. He talk for Tori people them say they don't test it and he get corona. Sabi say people them for inside Brazil they be don't vex plenty for Sika say their president he no be ever the wear face masks, and their president he no be ever there for the thing say no overturner for place where population he dey. But just now no man know the talk for he don't start wear his own face mask, and he the talk to for a country people them to make they wear their own. So president just now he dey for his own isolate place where he go the shidon after we doctor them for inside Brazil. They test them, they say he get corona. For Zimbabwe, make we enter for the quick as all the finished story. Sabi say for inside Zimbabwe, doctor them, nurse for Zimbabwe, they make waka for vex. According to way the nurse them, they talk, they say they no want time. Say may they pay them for use Zimbabwe their own money when a dollar. They want time say may they pay them now with Donald Trump his own dollar. According to the nurse them, they talk say Zimbabwe dollar, it don't go down plenty. Why Donald Trump his own dollar they for up and for inside university for Bamenda. Now big cry die as we already enter for them. Make we talk on top this man will be registrar for University of Bamenda, Professor or Dr. Banilong Victor, where we hear say he died yesterday. Sabi say before he want go Bamenda University, he be there for University for Boya and even Ambassador Sosep. He be glad for pass for a hand. Time will be the teach for inside University for Boya. So Dr. Banilong Victor, he don't die and they put point finger for this Wawasikwe day for outside. Family peoples, they prepare for burial inside this weekend where they come. The only newspaper we dey for we before as we finish na the Guardian Post. Palava say peace for turn back for Northwest and Southwest. They say person wey be dey like a middleman inside this talk. He don't talk say true. Some talk it dey happen between Governor and Sisiku Ayoktabe. According to the mediator wey the Guardian Post dey meet up away, no one talk in name. He talk say dey so. Them say the surprise for the commoting when Governor talk man he comot for talk say no nothing like this kind of thing no dey happen. And they don't talk. Some Anglophone people then they where they chop for the fight, where they no want to say make it finish. Other one they use the fight for get favor in before Nkunkuma as where the Guardian Post a talk for we. 4 people then say they die after where they drink yogurt where they put poison for inside. Now for Hawaii, for Yawende, European Union, it don't give Cameroon 6 billion francs CFA. Order to read them, you fit for it inside the Guardian Post newspaper where it dey for outside. We don't finish story for this afternoon, country people. Then we want to say big thank you for Gaston Masso for side for Banga. Thank you to Plenty Manadine. Thank you Malice and even you Zephyrin Gondi. We go meet up for 8 o'clock if all the work are fine for tomorrow. Wanna hold them tight. Now only Papa God get all thing.